Hello everybody, hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely safe and sound and so are everyone around you. My name is Pritesh Sir, as you all know, and I'm your host, your host, and a proud master teacher from Vedantu, welcoming you to this super amazing session today where we are continuing to learn about respiration in organisms. Now guys, let me tell you that yesterday we were supposed to have a class but we didn't because I got occupied somewhere else, and the same is going to continue next Friday as well. So next Friday also we won't be able to have a class at at 9 in the night, because I will have something else where I'll be occupied. So let's see, you'll be updated about the schedule well in advance, and I'm really sorry for the yesterday's last minute rescheduling. So anyway, we are meeting here, and thank you so much for coming. It's not a good evening; it's good afternoon. So very good afternoon to all of you, and yeah. So let's begin. Let's begin the learning. So we are learning about respiration in organisms. That is the topic that we are learning about right in today's class. So let's continue. There is also going to be a live menti, and before that, we have a beautiful thought here that the more you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you will go. The more you read, so much more you get to learn, and the more you learn, the more successful you become, because you've got so much of knowledge, and knowledge is the wealth that nobody can steal from you, right? So keep on reading, keep on exploring, and keep on learning. Along with that, guys, these are the winners for the previous riddles questions. So in the previous class, I had asked you a riddle in the end, and I asked you to post your answers in the comment section. So these are the winners. So we have got Pritesh Sir Fan Club, Shivain Upamanyu, Anju Anu, Ishant Swine, and Ranjini Santosh, who have answered the riddle correctly. I will also be giving you a riddle in today's class as well at the end. So stay tuned till the end. And also there is some very important information coming up. Along with that, guys, again, those who will give the correct answers in the comment section, we will be selecting 5 names and they'll be up on the screen. Okay, so do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. We are more than 1,800 followers. Let us cross 2,000 very soon, and let us make this Instagram family also super big, super amazing, and super rocking. Along with that, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, because Vedantu Young Wonders is one such channel where you get to learn absolutely free of cost, where you get so much fun, so much exploration, and so much knowledge. So give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. Do share this video with your friends and in your school WhatsApp groups. Now guys, let us understand respiration in organisms, the human respiration. So what is breathing? Basically in the previous class we understood that respiration is the breakdown of glucose with or without the help of oxygen to release energy. Now what is breathing? Breathing is taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. It is basically inhalation and exhalation. When you breathe in, your ribs go up, your diaphragm goes down, and the lungs expand. Similarly, when you breathe out, that is when you exhale, your ribs go down, your lungs shrink, and your diaphragm comes up, right? So when your lungs swell, the diaphragm goes down. When your lungs shrink, the diaphragm comes up. So that is breathing in and breathing out. Now, the breathing rate is the number of times a person breathes in a minute, which is almost 15 to 18. An adult human being breathes 15 to 18 times per minute. And the breathing rate increases when your body is not getting enough oxygen. For example, when you're doing a physical activity, you will breathe faster. When you just stop your breath for some time, you will breathe faster. So when your body is not getting enough oxygen, you tend to breathe faster than the normal rate. The normal rate is 15 to 18 times per minute, and it can go up to 25 times per minute. Okay? It can go up to 25 times per minute. Right? Now, the mechanism of breathing is there are multiple organs that are involved. So we take in the air through the nasal cavity, right? We have got the nostrils, then the nasal cavity, then the pharynx, and then the larynx. The larynx is your voice box. The larynx is also called as your voice box. Then the air moves into the trachea. So this larynx is your voice box. Okay. Then the air moves into the trachea. From the trachea it enters the bronchus. The bronchus divides into bronchioles. Each bronchiole finally divides into an alveoli, right? So first the air moves into the nostrils, then the nasal cavity, then the pharynx, then the larynx, then the trachea, then the bronchus, and then the bronchioles, and finally the alveoli. What is this? This is the alveoli. This alveoli is a sac-like structure, a cloud sac-like structure, which does the exchange of gases. So when you take oxygen, it enters the blood and the carbon dioxide from the blood enters the lungs, and finally you breathe out. So the mechanism of breathing includes inhalation and exhalation. You take in oxygen, the oxygen is given to the blood gives carbon dioxide to the lungs, and you exhale out, right? So that is the mechanism of breathing. It involves the organs of nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, and the bronchioles and alveoli. Okay? Now, here is a dome-shaped tissue called diaphragm. When you breathe in, the diaphragm goes down, and when you breathe out, the diaphragm comes up. It's very, very important that you remember this. Thank you so much, Infinite Wonder BG. It's very important that you remember this, that when does diaphragm go up and when does diaphragm go down. Okay? Imagine that there is a rubber sheet and there are two balloons on top of it. When you blow the balloons, when the balloons expand, the rubber sheet will go down. And when you release the air from the balloons, the rubber sheet will come up. Similarly, when you breathe in, the diaphragm goes down, and when you breathe out, the diaphragm goes up. Okay? Now, look at the percentage of oxygen, carbon dioxide in inhaled air and exhaled air. So when you're taking in air, you're also taking in nitrogen with it, oxygen with it, carbon dioxide with it, and other gases with it. And when you're giving out air, the same amount of nitrogen is given out, less oxygen is given out, more carbon dioxide is given out, and others are also included. So when you're taking in air, there is 21% oxygen, and when you're giving out air, there is 17% oxygen, means 4% oxygen your body consumed. Whereas when you breathe in, there is 0.04% carbon dioxide, and when you breathe out, there is 4% carbon dioxide, means your body added 3.96 percentage of oxygen, of carbon dioxide to your exhaled air, right? So even when you're breathing in, you're taking in carbon dioxide but very, very less, and when you're breathing out, you're giving out oxygen but very, very less. Okay? So these your percentages, you have to remember the percentages, and it's super, super, super important. Okay? So nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and others. This is your exhaled air, and that is your inhaled air. Okay? Just please read it once in your mind. Just read it once in your mind. It's super important. Yeah. Now, how much air a person can hold? So a person can hold about 6 liters of air. Your lungs, both the lungs can accumulate, or both the lungs can accommodate 6 liters of air. So that's why they say take deep breaths, especially when you're out in the open, when the air is fresh, when the air is, where everywhere there is greenery, when the air is fresh, you can just take deep breaths. It relaxes your body. It makes you feel very, very good because it gives you so much of oxygen. So whenever you're in a green place where you know that the air is clean, there is no pollution, take deep breaths and fill your body with oxygen. When there is good amount of oxygen going in your blood, you remain healthy. You remain healthy because your blood remains healthy, right? So with that, we move on, and let me tell you that now you can crack all the Olympiads with complete ease, because Vedanta has brought special Olympiad courses for you, right? You can take Olympiads, which are the exams conducted to recognize students at various levels, and they are conducted every year for the students of grade 1 to grade 12. It boosts your reasoning abilities and helps to assess your capability and sharpen the analytical skills. Competing at the national and international level provides you a different level of exposure, and the recognition builds self-confidence. So I advise every student out there to please try your hands at Olympiads. Even if you don't win the Olympiad, the entire experience of taking an Olympiad is really very, very good, and it helps to boost your personality, right? So, at Vedantu, we prepare you for Olympiad with the help of our Wave platform, which gives you live classes, and also the special batches for Olympiad exams like for NSO, IMO, UIMO, NSTAC, IO, QM, IOM, IOS, and many more Olympiads with Vedantu. For grade 7, I have got mathematics for you, which is quoted at rupees 3000. But if you use the coupon code PJPL, you just need to pay rupees 2700 for grade 7. I've got the mathematics. I've also got the NTSC Head Start class for grade 7. Again, you have to pay rupees 2700 for all the Olympiads. So you just pay rupees 2700 for all the Olympiads only by using the coupon code PR. Use the coupon code PRPRO and you just pay rupees 2700 for all the Olympiads. You can cover all your Olympiads learning by just paying rupees 2700 by using the coupon code PRPR. The actual cost of the course is rupees 3000, but when you use PRPRO, you're just paying rupees 22,700. Right? Now, I request you that you please do it ASAP. Whatever you're doing, do it ASAP because the batches are going to get full. Once the batches are full, then there's no point in joining. So quickly join and start the learning, because once the batches get full, then it will become too much of chaos, right? So just go to the website called vedantu.com/courses, right? You can just go to courses.vedantu.com. Here you can join the VOS courses at just rupees 2700. So at just rupees 2700, you're getting the preparation for all the Olympiads. It's a very, very cheap deal. And let me tell you, actually इससे सस्ता और अच्छा आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. And if you get, let me know, I pay for your Olympiad courses, right? 2700 में Vedantu का quality, where you're getting the notes, where you're getting practice tests, where you're getting so much of mock papers, where you're getting your doubts solved, where you're getting to learn at the hands of experts, those who have produced ranks every year. So experienced teachers, handwritten notes, you're getting the assignments, you're getting the mock papers, you're getting so much of practice that you can definitely crack an Olympiad. So quickly go to courses.vedantu.com, use PRPRO and start the learning. Okay? In the meanwhile, now let us start the quiz for us. So our quiz is about to begin. So to start the quiz, just go to www.menti.com and use the coupon code 84896932. 84896932. Okay? Chalo. 84896932. 84896932. Okay, just go to the Menti, guys. I'm waiting for you at Menti. 84896932 is the code for the Menti. Come on, quickly go to menti.com and join the Menti, guys. Come on, we'll wait till 50 because I know it's afternoon and you guys might be busy with your school and other stuff. Eight four 896932. That's the code for the Menti. Come on. Come on. Quick. Chalo, that's great. Thank you, Kushagra. Thank you, everyone, guys. Thank you so much. I know, because I'm just saving my throat for the remaining 5 classes that I need to take. I've already done with 2, more 5 I have. Okay, Aditya, I wait for you. Make the Masta Vaishnavi. How are you? Thank you so much. Mrityunjay, it's been a while now to that event. A while, but thank you so much. Okay, Pritesh Sir fan club. Friday is your birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Please tell me your name. So, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you always. May all your wishes come true. Raghu. Yes, who am I? Raghu. Hi, Anvesha Arushi Singh. Physical and chemical changes will be taught by Nabamita ma'am. Guru, do you feel so? Okay. Maybe. Hi, Vaishnavi. 10th June 2008. Vishal, it's 84896932. Hello Abhinav Krishna. Happy birthday Ananya. Happiest birthday to you. God bless you, dearest. Hello APS classes with Bebo. Okay, your name is Akshaya. Okay. Akshaya IAS. Is your name Akshaya IAS? Okay, that's great. That's great. Charvi Cindy. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. Hi Harshpal Singh, Prithvi Dhurvas, Niharika. SK Chai, it's not my birthday. I am at home, Anushka. I'm at home. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration across a semi-permeable membrane. Dharmik Suresh. Hello Kritika. Hello Usha, Vedant. Spriha. Okay, your name is Naisha. Your name is Naisha. Great. Okay? Chalo. So guys, let's start. Let's start. Hi Felix. So let's start the Menti. We've got amazing 5 questions for you. Yes, Tripti, please tell me. Thank you so much, Ananya. Okay? So let us start the Menti. We've got 100 plus students in the Menti. Here is your first question based on respiration. First question is that which gas is given out during exhalation? When you exhale, what gas do you give out? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or all of these are given out in small percentages. Hello Anaka, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. God bless you. Come on, quick, 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 very quick. Yes, Mrityunjay, you're right. Avinash, Ashok, you're right. Come on, think and answer, guys. Think and answer. The answer is all of these. Okay, carbon dioxide is the major gas. 4% of carbon dioxide is given. 4% of carbon dioxide is given. Oxygen is 17%. Nitrogen is 78%. Okay, nitrogen is 78%. Moving on to the superboard with the superstars. We have got Cake, Ashley, Stinglicious, Lola, Simran, Mas, Lakshmi. Hi fi Lakshmi, how are you? Agent, Sanmi and Tejwas. Cake, you're the fastest. That's amazing. That's really nice. And moving on to the question number 2. Question number 2 without a flu on your screen now. Chalo. Momo's question. Chest cavity surrounded by how many ribs? How many ribs do we have? 12 pairs, 11 pairs, 10 pairs or 25 ribs? How many ribs do we have? Chalo, this is a... So what we'll do is every question ko we'll give a food name. Okay? So like Chitra Moni says lollipop question, APS says pizza question. So this was a momos question. We'll decide what to name the third question. Okay? Chalo. How many pairs of ribs do we have? Okay, the answer is 12 pairs of ribs. 10 are attached, 2 are floating. 10 are attached, 2 are floating ribs. Okay, so let us look at the superboard with the superstars. And the hello Lavanya, Cake, Ashley, Simran, Sakshi, Agent, Sanvi, Kavya, Casper, Hustler, Akarshit. Cake, you are the fastest. We have a tie apple pie between nobody. Chalo, quickly tell me the next question. Okay, Laddu question. So let us take the question number 3 absolutely free as a Laddu question. The Laddu question coming on your screen now. Hello Simran. Laddu question coming on your screen. The percentage of oxygen in exhaled air. Inhaled air is 21. Exhaled air is how much? 12, 17, 21 or 30. How much oxygen do we have in exhaled air? 12, 17, 21 or 30. Come on. Quick, very quick. You guys are doing great and amazing. Come on. Quickly answer. Very good. It is 17%. Inhaled is 21. Exhaled is 17. Okay, inhaled is 21, exhaled is 17. Okay, so on the superboard with the superstars, I have got Hustler, Akarshit, Meghna, Shivi, Pingu, Jaina, Manvir, Kuku, Swayamshri, and Pehel. Wow, guys, you guys have got such beautiful names. Kuku, you are the fastest. Hustler is leading the leaderboard by 3 points. We have a tie apple pie between Pingu and Shivi. And next is the Kalakant question. The Kalakant question on your screen, question number Fantastic 4. Fantastic 4 question on your screen. Now, the Kalakant question. Chalo. The respiratory organs of human beings are, who are the balloon-like organs in human beings? Lungs and skin, only lungs, gills or skin. What are the respiratory organs of human beings? Come on. The Kalakant question, the Fantastic 4 question on your screen. What are the respiratory organs? Very good, very good. Those who are answering in the chat. Try harder, Satvik, your name will come. Come on, try faster, try harder. Chalo, quick, very quick. And that's amazingly awesome. Lungs is the correct answer. Lungs will be the correct answer. These are the respiratory organs in human beings. Okay. So on the super board we have got Akarshit, Meghna, Pingu, Kuku, Manveer, Jaina, Swayamshri, Peher, Diksha. High five, Diksha, how are you? Amazing. And Diksha के बाद कौन था? Pehel शायद. Pingu, Pehel, I don't remember. So Diksha, you are the fastest. That's amazing. Kuku, you are leading the leaderboard by 5 points, and we don't have. Okay, we have a tie between Divya and Pehel. We have a tie between Divya and Pehel. Yeah, chalo. So next comes the famous 5 samosa question. The famous 5 samosa question on your screen. Now, everyone, those who like samosa will answer this question correctly. The famous 5 samosa question. An adult human being at rest breathes how many times? How many times? 20 to 25, 15 to 18, 25 to 28, or 5 to 10? How many times does an adult human being breathe at rest? Sandeep, the code is 84896932. How many times an adult human being breathes at rest? Is it 20 to 25, 15 to 18, 25 to 28, or 5 to 10? Good Guru Sorna. Aman Bagde, Priha Zoshi, Naisha, your name is Naisha. Prithvi, Yaksh, Avinash Kumar. Great. Samosa question, and only 68 students like a samosa because 15 to 18 times is the correct answer. And on the super board with the superstars for this particular question, I've got Akarshit, Manveer, Pingu, Jaina, Diksha, Meghna, Divya, Manasvi, Akshat, and Dharmik Suresh. So we have got Akshat as the fastest, and Akarshit. Wow, Akarshit means attracted. That's amazing, Akarshit. First of all, you've got a beautiful name. And that's a great performance. Very good. Amazingly awesome. Nice. Okay? Chalo. With that, we move back to the slides. And let me tell you guys, this was all about breathing and the breakdown of glucose, that is respiration. With that, here is a riddle for you whose answer you need to put in the comment section. And I'll be putting the answers on the screen in the next class. I'm excellent to taste but horrible to smell. What am I? Excellent to taste, horrible to smell. What am I? What tastes very good but smells very bad? What is it? Tell me your answers in the comment section. And guys, remember, tomorrow I'm meeting you at 11 o'clock with some funny and amazing facts about the cute little pandas. They're not little, but they are super cute. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow with the facts on pandas at sharp 11 o'clock in the morning at on Sunday, that is tomorrow. Till then, guys, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to Vedanta Young Wonders, and do join the Olympiad classes because you are getting a bumper discount. Right? So until we meet next, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Have a great time. God bless all of you. See you soon. Bye bye.